Sanibonani nonke. Ngiyangizwa naso ngitshele yizwi okhulumayo umdidiyelo wamabutho ejaji elikhulu uNtaba Zolila aphuthayo amabili. Sesifike esigabeni sakuqala emaphethweni esigaba sakuqala somsebenzi wanamhlanje okhulumvula isilo sakithi inkosi uMzilikazi kaMashobana owakhothama ngomhla ka5 September 1868 engakuthi mangaphazamisi namhlanje unyaka ka156 inkosi yakhothama. Bakwethu siyabonga kakhulu ukuyiphatha kwenu indlela yonke. Sixolise ukuthi mhlawumbe asisuka ngesikhathi ade sisibekile kwabafike ekseni kube yikho lokuthi umsebenzi lo mkhulu awuqalanga namhlanje kodwa uqala izolo. Ingakho kuba kwenza ukuthi izinto zelekane. Kodwa akona elami ithuba lokunasingene nje bengithi angemthathele ithuba semukele ubaba wedolopho ukuthi asamukele ngoma sesifike la kwaBulawayo kusesigodlweni kwaBulawayo kodwa idolopho liphethwe ngusodolopho angithi kunjalo. Ingakho kubalekile ukuthi izingane masike zafika ekhaya zamukele uma singamukelanga kusho ukuthi khona esikwenze wrong angithi nanxa sikhona esikwenze wrong uyokusho ukuthi lapha nalapha kodwa ke ubaba sodolopho ngibeka ngolwakithi ke ngoba lolo lunye lilahlekile nje yangisakwazi ukuthi ngiyalidinga lokho ubaba sodolopho ngiyathemba engangaxoxa naye ngaphambili ngiyakwazi ukuthi uyangizwa.
Bulawayo omuhle omuhle mina engikhulumayo igama lami ngusikhululekile moyo ngingukhansila kaWard 17 koBulawayo. Ngizathatha leli thuba ukuthi ngethule usodolopho wethu wakoBulawayo ubaba uSenator uDavid Coltart ukuthi akhulume phakathi kwethu.
Sanibonani. Can you hear me at the back?
Yes!
I am obviously not in the belly.
We understand! We hear you!
I consider it a great honor to be able to stand here this morning and to celebrate with you the commemoration of the death of King Mzilikazi. My belief is that we do not pay sufficient attention to this day in our city. This day when we commemorate King Mzilikazi is in fact the most important day in our city's calendar. Had King Mzilikazi not come here and set up his kingdom, this city hall would not be here. This city would not be what it is. And for that reason alone, it is important that we give this day the honor that it needs. I often say that our city has some of the richest which honors King Mzilikazi, which tells his history, so that we explain to our own generations and future generations and tourists the great things that he did and the vision that he had in bringing the Ndebele people here and how the kingdom developed. That is important. And then we need to ensure that Bulawayo is better visited and better honored.